Okay, so one of the tasks we're going to have to do in terms of creating a DApp and being able to make things easy in the user is find out what account they're using. And I did a little research and I found this article on Ethereum Stack Exchange. Remember, Stack Overflow, Stack Exchange, that whole series of websites is your best friend when you're a developer. This is on Ethereum. I use it. I've used it extensively doing Java and all kinds of things. So anyway, here's the article. Let me see if I can move this up a little bit. See, yeah, it's getting all right. So the question that was asked here is, make sure I'm on the right page. Yeah. So the question that was asked here is, how do I get a current user account selected in MetaMask Web3? Now, this changed about, I think, 2 years ago to add more security. This didn't seem quite right to the person. So here was the solution. Oh, and I didn't even put this in. If you want to... Oh, okay. You know what? I'm going to add this little thing in. Let's see. See if I can add it in. I don't know if this is going to work, but anyway, here's the key part. So what you're going to do here is you're going to use a callback, and let's see, this callback get accounts is going to take a function that's just going to print out. So this is going to take a callback, and it's going to call the web.eth.getAccounts. If it's an error, it's going to log it. Otherwise, it's going to call this callback function that you define. It's defined here, which is just logging the result. So now this is another interesting thing on init. So this is basically you're checking if the account changed. So this here, and we should explore this a little bit more, but this is another contribution about how to init how to initialize this. But this little thing here is working. Now, let me see if it's going to run now that I decided to mess with it. Yeah, let's see. Well, we're not going to worry about this because we're not using it right now. So I'm going to comment this out because I hadn't really, well, I'll get rid of it because I hadn't really tested it. But let's save this and run this. actually, you're not seeing it, so let me fix that. There you go. Let's do this again. Okay. So we're in here and set the provider, and then we get the account. So let's run that, and you can see I want to try something. I want to try changing. I'm going to bring up MetaMask and see if I could change my account to account 3, which has a different number, which starts with 14 something. Let's run this again. Nope, produce the same thing. So we're going to have to take a look at this other bit of code here. Where'd we go? This other bit of code here on a net, because this did not capture the change. Basically, what it's doing is, let's see. Let's see. So I want to see something here. I'm going to run this again because I want to see what's actually called. Okay. I want to look at result. And in result, if you can see, well, you can't see because I didn't put it back up. There we go. In result, you can see there are all the accounts. But what I want to see in particular, no, this is just the list. Okay, I was hoping it would be an object. So we're going to have to do a little bit more exploring, but the point is you can get a list of the accounts back, and the question, I believe this other code that we were looking at, this here, might help you get the, see, but I don't know. Because even though the Ethereum is selected, well, even though it's selected, it's still coming back with the first of the items. So it does not have a way, right now this is just returning 1. It has no way of knowing right now how, we can't tell which of these, well, we got 10 different accounts. So what's probably going to happen here is we're going to have to go through. We have result. Result gave us all the accounts. What's going to happen is we're going to have to be able to look at the Web3 commands on the accounts and get additional information there, is what I think. So anyway, this is just a little demo here showing how you can get the list of accounts that are available, and to get the actual one being used, we're going to have to do a little bit more work. Anyway, That's all for now, and I will see you next time. Please, if you found this helpful, please like, please subscribe, please ring the bell, and share it with your friends if they're interested. Also, I do have my little report out on why Solidity is a valuable skill to learn now. I'm going to put the link to that in the notes, and if you're interested, click on over and you'll get the report. And what I'm trying to do also is to write a little email every week that will provide useful information, pointers to articles, talk about what been on the channel this week and so on. Anyway, that's all for now. Take care.